If you want to change app notification sound for individual apps on Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, then let us see what to do. Go to settings here, go to notifications, go to advanced settings, scroll down, and there is an option manage notification categories for each app. Enable this option. After that, what you do, go back and go to this option app notifications. Now suppose if you want to change the notification sound of any app, then open the app and tap on this option notification categories, and then select the option here. For sound, you can select any notification sound you want. Similarly, you can go back and select another option here, and here also go to sound and change the notification sound for the app. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.